Okay, as you remember, after considering the shots, we should go for the effects. I can have the effects from the modeling environment, I mean from the renders, right here. And as you can see here, I can copy this. Then here in movie, I can paste them. I paste them on the model. And the effects will be considered here. And right now you can see the rays of the sun. And the effects will be added like this. But if we want, we can have some extra things in animation. We can make the cars and characters movable. We can consider a motion for them. As in instance, I want to model a motion here for you, a simple motion. As in instance, right here, if I have a character, I can choose one of them right here quickly. For example, this one. And I put it right here. Okay, after that, here in movie, when I click on edit, here I can move this character. It can move forward and I can change the end position to here. In fact, the second part is the destination. Actually, it starts from here and the end will be here. I can even have some special settings. I can ask it to look at me during the motion. But I don't know why it's not possible to have rotation here. Okay, you should know that you can have this possibility to have these settings for some special objects. And as you can see, when my animation is playing, the character is moving as well. And he returns. You can even have more settings. As in instance, you can delete that returning part. If you don't want it to go and return again, everything can be available according to what you want. Some other effects can be available if you want to add them. As in instance, advanced move. Here you can have more options. As in instance, you can ask it to be here at this second. In third second, it should be here, for example. And when we select, we can check it out. But first, we need to turn this move off. Let's check it, but it wasn't really suitable. I should set its place at the first keyframe, so it should be here. And the third one, moving forward, so 3 keyframes. I can even rotate it during this motion, and you can have these animations for all of the objects. Let's watch it one more time. As you can see, it's moving and during the motion it will turn. So try to work and practice with the moves and create this kind of things. And this part is related to the editing of the animations. Here we can consider a title for the animation. And as you can see, different titles are available here. But I did this kind of things in editing clip softwares. Mass move to having many people. Motion blur. You can set a car as an instance during a motion with blur rays. It will be more real. Let's ignore other parts, and that was the effects of the animation. Remember, if you want to have single renders for each video, you should use this item, render clip, and at the end, after creating all of the clips, you can have entire movie. In this way, we can watch all of the movies together. It will be a long rendering, and as you can see, default style is empty. Or you can consider some special effect for each clip, or a single effect for all of the movies. All of them are the same, but when you have entire clip, if you need to have separated clips, you should separate them in other softwares. And that's it, the animation.